Okay, so let's talk reporting. This is the fun stuff now. We've got the data there, so now you can start doing a bit of reporting. Also gives you a bit of insight on how your projects are tracking as well. So, you're coming into Tidy here, we're on our projects page here. Perhaps you just want to have a look and see how the project's going. So you can actually dive into each project on this page to see key metrics as well. So if I click into here, let's go Club Health Check. You'll see we've actually got this key metrics here. So you can see we've got a couple of messages happening. We've got the answer assignment there, and we've also got the progress. Just a step back, answer assignment is how many answers have been assigned to your team members. So we find that having the tasks assigned to team members, there's more chance of them actually being answered. And then also the progress as well. So that's just giving you a breakdown. So it's 8% out of 100. And you can see only one task has been done out of the 12. Now let's step back into projects and head into our reporting tab. So this is the juicy stuff. So we've got two tabs here that you can see. We've got enterprise reports and then we've got internal reports. I'm just going to focus on enterprise reports and then we'll walk through internal reports in another video. So enterprise reports is all those connect projects that you've been working on. So the shared projects. So just keep reminding yourself, connect, shared with the club. Okay, so we've got three types of reports. So you can do the projects, you can do participants, and then you can do summary. And then we've got a couple of filters that you can use as well. So if you want to filter via down a particular project or you want to do a couple, you're more than welcome to do that as well. And then same with the participants, you can use this to filter it out. Or you can just leave it as is and click generate report. So what does this do? Okay, it's going to generate this. So we've got our projects report here. So just be mindful, it's going to bring all the projects here. So you can see I've got my in progress, I've got my done, and also the archive reports as well. Okay, and then it's giving you a breakdown. And then if you scroll over, you can get a sort of like a percentage of how much has actually been completed, how many messages and admin notes and announcements have been done as well. You can export this information out as a CSV file so you can make changes as you need for your business. Now, the next one I want to walk through is the participants report, which I think is key. Just to help you understand how your clubs are going with the projects. Do they need help? All right, so for us, we've only got 3 clubs here, but you may have more. You can use the search functionality down here. Now, this is just going to give you a breakdown of how these clubs are going. So I just want to point out here, we've got Eastside Eagles Basketball Club. They've got 14 activated admins, which is really good. So that means they've got a really good buy-in in their club and they're delegating the work and using Tidy together. So it's really, really good from Eastside Eagles. So what have we got here? We've got a total of 10 projects that they've been invited to. And then you've also got the breakdown of their answers. So we've got a total of 50 answers that they need to do. How many have they done? They've done 16. And what's that percentage? So 32%. But they've got like a really good on time. So they're actually completing it on time. So before the due date, which is good. So this just gives you that breakdown again. So you could export it out, work with those clubs to see if they need help, or work with your team to see and identify those clubs that might be struggling on how to use projects. And then finally, let's walk into summary report. This is really just a summary of everything that's going on. Okay, so it's just giving all data summary. Again, you can export that information out. And the next video, I'll walk through internal reporting.